one's for the ones who ain't make it out. That's right.
Concrete diaries, inked in the scars of survivors. Street psalms sung by the ones with no choirs. Mama praying nightly tears on the flyers. Lost souls roam blocks where the truth retired. I seen youth expired before they saw 21. Bullets hum lullabies under the morning sun. Where we measure our worth by the weight of a gun. And hope runs short like the breath in our lungs. I was scribbling bars between power cuts and debt. Dreaming of a Lex coupe, sway seats, respect. Every verse I project from a soul unchecked. Trying to balance my past with the future I expect.
God.
I still see my pain, trying to wash away these stains again. From the dark to the flame, I remain the same. Blueprints in the rain. Blueprints in the rain. Blueprints in the rain. Blueprints in the rain.
Now I'm older, colder, thoughts bolder. Hustling taught me how to hold composure. Street dreams folded like that crack stroller. When Shorty lost his pops to the wrong exposure. I remember them nights with the broke ambitions. Bagging dreams in the kitchen, premonition collisions. Now I'm writing my religion with precision. Every bar baptism, every word a mission. Still got ghosts in the hallway whispering my name. Still see tone face trapped in the same game. But I rose through the smoke, rearranged my aim. Now my scars spell legacy instead of shame.
Rain on the window, I still see my pain, trying to wash away these stains again. From the black to the flame, I remain the same. Blueprints in the rain. Blueprints in the rain. Blueprints in the rain. Blueprints in the rain.
Penthouse views, but I see the same streets. Every dream came with receipts and cold sheets. They say time heals, but my rhyme reveals that pain still bleeds through designer deals. I said, bring me slow. Thinking about them corners, how we traded our peace for persona's armor. Now I'm into the youth. Tell them don't chase karma, cause the block love nobody, it just breeds drama. Still big papa vibes in the midnight hum. Still a poet with a gunpowder tongue. From the slums to the skyline, I've just begun. Blueprints in the rain, my life rerun. We write history in raindrops and pain spots. Think our names were the concrete forgot. Legacy ain't money. It's who remembers the truth. Stay solid forever, big. Yeah.
Blueprints in the rain.
Yeah. The city never sleeps, it just blinks slow. Dreams buried under street lamps, stories untold. We ain't victims, we authors. We just write our pain in the smoke. Let's talk about it. Yeah, Born with a siren, sing lullabies nightly. Dreams get priced, ain't nothing come lightly. Mama said stay righteous, but the block bite me. Now I'm dealing with the cause that the world might see. Dice games in the rain, cold veins and chain smoke. Kids learn math through grams and cutthroat. Shorty 17 with a scar and a trench coat. Hoping that it's hard, don't sync with the next note. Backstairs confessions, I pray with aggression. My adolescence, taught lessons through depression. Every loss a blessing, every bruise progression. Now I rhyme pain like divine expression.
Through the smoke, I see my face again. Trying to find truth in the mess I'm in. Rain keeps falling, I don't pretend, but I rise again. Through the smoke, I see my face again. Trying to find truth in the mess I'm in. Rain keeps falling, I don't pretend, but I rise again.
Fast forward, I'm grown but the block still call. Got dreams tall but the system small. Homies fall, got murals on the project wall. We toast to the ghost when the nightfall crawl. Now I move wise, a suit teller and vision clearer. But I still see my demons in the rearview mirror. The hunger don't fade, just shift his gear. Still a soldier in a war, I volunteer. I'm talking 9 to 5 scars, ghetto memoirs, liquor store bars and abandoned cars. We survivors, the underdogs. With the stars, turn pain into ink, revolution in
Through the
jars.
smoke, I see my face again.
chain. All these faces change, but the hustle remain. You can't clean the soul with material gain. I'm reminiscing of them broke night wishes, late night dishes, ramen and ambition. Now I'm feeding my team, same dream transition, but the fame ain't peace, it's just a new condition. I seen brothers trade love for a little attention, loyalty fade in the fame dimension, but I keep that Biggie essence, slow perfection, each verse confession, each rhyme redemption. Yeah. No matter how high you climb, you still smell the smoke from where you started. Keep your faith, keep your hunger.
Cause you gave me something to do. When you love someone, you open up your heart. When you love someone, you make room. If you love someone, you probably never loved someone like I do. You probably never loved someone like I do. You probably never loved someone like I do.
With a siren sung symphonies, dreams die early, loyalties the epiphany. Mama scrubbed floors, daddy lost in the system. I learned quick, nobody ever gon' miss him. Hunger in my veins, pocket full of hope, young shorty on the
Okay, hi, my people. How are we doing today? Hope we are well. Hope we are well. I've been in and out, just trying to connect to see that we get started. But I think my network is really playing on my head today. But I'm really so sorry for coming in late. Let us get started. We utilize the little time that we have. Just utilize the little time that we have. I don't know, but my systems have refused to go in line with me today. But so sorry about that. Let us get into it and we see how it's all going to play, about how the few that we can do today. Let us do that and then we shall call it a day. So you are all most welcome. Thank you for coming through and thank you for being here waiting on me. Thank you for being here waiting on me. I've been trying in and out, but I can see that you guys were already here waiting in. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate you. I'm doing not so good, not actually good at all, because I've come in late and definitely I feel disturbed, but seeing you guys come through, I feel much better.
For every dreamer still trapped in a block. Don't let the concrete choke your growth. You're more than your struggle. Your proof beauty survives pressure. Cement roses. We blooming forever.
yeah. Concrete streets, broken dreams. Every block got a story, every corner got a lesson. I survived the nights that swallow hope. Let me take you there. Yeah. Born in the shadow of the high rise blocks. Mama working double shifts, talking about stocks. Daddy never home, life's paradox. Grew up counting pennies, dodging cops. Lessons in the cracks of the pavement talk. How to hustle hard, how to move, what life costs. Every loss in the streets, every friend I lost. Turn my pain into bars, yeah, that's my sauce.
Eyes on the prize while the sirens sing. Life was a gamble, every step of pain. Still I wrote my truth, let my soul hang. Concrete dreams in the city claim. Concrete dreams, we rise through the night. Street lights glow and we fight for the light. Every scar, every tear in sight made us kings.
Hope you are amazing. Thank you guys for coming through. Okay, let us start off. Silver OTC, that is what we are having. 400 US dollars, that is what I've set my amount at, and 15 seconds. My time expiry. So guys, let us keep it going. We keep it going. Okay.
Learn that the streets don't play no game. Trust is fragile, loyalty to flame. Grew from the struggle, made it part of my name. Late nights, cold air, hard, heavy, be steady. Grew wise from pain, at my grind ready. Every rhyme I spit, my past confetti. Concrete dreams turn gold, holding the melody.
Concrete dreams, we rise through the night. Street lights glow and we fight for the light. Every scar, every tear in sight made us kings in the city tonight.
Okay, let us drive it through and we see. Okay, so over there, as we can see, pocket option, that is the broker that I'm using over here. Okay, and definitely binary options trading. Okay, I would love to interact with you guys. However much we have a little time on us, let us interact with each other, and we see how everything is going to go today.
Concrete dreams ain't just survive. It's how we thrive.
Let's have it. Let's have it. Let's see. Let us see. Let us see. Let us see. Guys. We are keeping it, we are taking it slow. We are taking it 1 minute at a time. Anytime that is lost, we are definitely losing $1. So since we are here, let us make good use of this time that we have.
My world, the city shadows time. Born in the maze of brick and steel. Mama worked nights, daddy vanished like a deer. Paid me sermon, life taught me down how to stay real. Fish full of dreams, pockets on the bear. Learn the art of patience, the streets don't care. Every block.
Let's go. Let's see how today is going to play out.
Still I kept my focus where the ambition grows. Night lights flicker, sirens compose.
Thank you. Let's see.
Now I roam through avenues that lead mystery, graffiti lessons, block codes, street mystery, lost some day ones, kept a few in my ministry, life's ledger, balanced by pain and victory, cold nights, warm dreams, hustle on repeat, lessons in struggle, rhythm in my heartbeat, every rhyme a chapter, every loss of feet, turn concrete.
Okay.
Enemies talk, but I move like a fan who learns silence is power. Every glance I ransom. The city molded me. Patience my anthem. Concrete dreams growing the struggle.
Okay, so when we look at the indicators, or when we are talking about the indicators, what we should focus so much on is the market direction. All right, so when this we have the alligator indicator and the MACD indicator. Those are the two indicators that I've been always using, and they're the ones that you've been seeing me use. All right. So how do they work? How do they help us in the execution of our trades? All right. The fact that when we are analyzing the market, when we are trying to understand what direction are we in, that is the uptrend or the downtrend. These two indicators, they help so much in identifying the direction that we are in, okay? So that is basically their main purpose for us, identifying the direction that the market is taking, and then definitely the momentum of that particular trend that we have decided to take. So whenever we see the indicators, that is one thing that should come in our minds, right? And when we look at the alligator indicator over there, as you can see it, the green line is what we consider mostly. When it crosses these other two lines, that is the red line and the blue line, we just know that we are having a reversal, or we are changing the trend that we are in, all right, or getting ready, okay? But one thing we should always have in mind is that when momentum is forming in a particular direction, we should give it some time to confirm before we place in a trade, because we also have those false ones where if you rush into taking a trade, you end up making a loss. All right. So we have those good you realize that there is a strength of this particular trend. So let me take a trade. All right. So those are the things that we look out for. But as we all know right now, is the fact that I'm using pure price action as my strategy. Then definitely the fact that we are analyzing the market, understanding what trend we are in, that's when the indicators help us. Then we also look at the candlestick formations, right? Those are the three things that we look at. Then definitely we place in our trades. Okay, so doctor over there, hi, how are you doing? Hope you are well. Hope you are doing amazing. Thank you for coming through. Happy to see you around. Okay, so if you want to join in such that you are always ready for the sessions, please let us look at
Legacy written where the street lights gleam. Big dreams born in the city's extreme. Every night a battle, every day a scheme. The streets never sleep, we just chase the dream. Yeah. Concrete made us kings. Pain made us wise.
Okay, so you go in my bio. That is my
Streets never sleep,
my Telegram.
neither do we. Forever hustling, forever free.
Okay, so if you want to join in, or if you want us to have a chat about the trades and all that, how to send in the donation, please check in my bio. There is the donations link over there. Or if you want to send in a message personally, that is the Telegram link is also shared there. So you can send in a message. Let us chat. Let us try to understand a few things here and there. Okay, but in most cases, when we are having these sessions, when I'm live, that is the best time when you can ask me almost all the questions that you have. And then, okay. And then definitely I will be able to respond fast, because as you are in the chat section, definitely I see the questions coming through. I see everything that you are asking about, so I respond immediately. But Telegram is also there. You open the link, subscribe, and then we shall be able to chat. Lerato, hi, how are you doing? So that is how you're going to do it, such that we can be in touch, we can chat, okay? DJ system, the network on your other channel is faster than this channel. Okay.
Every night a battle, every day a scheme. Concrete kings rise, we live the dream. Yeah. Concrete kings. The streets teach you. Oh. Shadows watch you. Every block, every struggle shapes the king in you. Concrete kings. Forever rise, never fall. No. Yeah. Concrete jungles whisper secrets at night. Every block got a story, every shadow got a fight. You survive, you grind, you rise. Welcome to the streets, where kings are made. Yeah. Raised in the cracks, mama praying for light. Daddy gone missing, left me to fight. Corner prophets preach sirens, sing all night. Every wrong turn taught me wrong from right. Cash slim, dreams thick, mind always scheming. Lost homies, cold nights, but still I'm dreaming. Every block a teacher, every loss redeeming. Turn pain into bars, now my voice is gleaming. Hustle in my veins, struggle in my eyes. Friends turn foes, loyalty wasting like ties. Concrete made a king, watch me rise. Every word a weapon, every rhyme a prize. Night streets, we rise from the pain. Walk through the fire, dance in the rain. Every scar, every tear we retain. Made us kings in the city we maintain. Night streets, we rise from the pain. Walk through the fire, dance in the rain. Every scar, every tear we retain. Okay, so since we have started a bit late, let us get straight into with the donations. The number is big, so okay. Bernard, $400 to attempts. Whenever we are going to have the donations, I always share a list of the people who sent in their money.
And once again, allow me thank you so much for always sharing and for sending in your donations. Thank you for the trust. So let us keep it positive such that we are able to cash out some profits tonight. Abibat, hi, how are you doing? Hope you are well. Hope you are doing amazing. Thank you for coming through. Okay, our first person, that is Bernard over there, 400 US dollars with a sell position for us. Let us start making profits. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So we have one more atom to go.
For them dreamers who never made the headlines. Same blocks that broke us made us too. We the hustle dreams fade away. But we still here. I was born with a pain, had a postcode, dreams froze cold, gold teeth and broke cold. Mama working doubles, prayers and Morse code, trying to keep the faith while the bills overflow. Saw my first hustle at the age of 10. Uncle Bag and Hope in the Lion's Den. Street taught math, multiplied and spent. Lose a friend, learn how to start again. Old heads preach stack, move and learn stealth. But it's hard to build peace when you build from hell. Had a notebook, pen, and a vision to sell. Every rhyme a confession, every bar is still.
City don't sleep, but I dream of pain. Concrete cries when it rains again. Still I rise, still I chase the flame. Write my life in the corner lane. So la da 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 da. Write my life in the corner lane.
Driller Data, hi, how are you doing? Hope you're well. Happy to have you around yet another for another session. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for joining in.
Breath, talk less, move wise, manifest success. But the flash of a badge still quick to press. Ain't no peace treaty in the bulletproof vest. From hand-me-down kicks to designer fits. But the soul's still heavy from the dirt I lift. Every dollar I stack, I replay that.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So we have a plus. We have a plus for Bernard. Yeah. Okay, so that is our first win. Okay, so that is Tether Wallet for Bernard, our first winner. So we are having 450 US dollars, 3 attempts. That is hold.
Now I'm cruising past corners that still breathe ghosts. Old faces and murals, I raise my toast to the ones that fell, to the lives they wrote. We the ink, we the page, we the antidote. I seen kids trade books for a pack and scale. Seen heaven hide deep in a cell block tale. The preacher said, faith don't fail, but when the rent due, even angels bail. I remember them nights with a pen and a lighter. Plotting my escape, dreaming bigger, tighter. Now the stage got lights, but the flame burn brighter. Still the same black writer, just a sharper fighter. Now success got taste, but it came with ghosts. Love turn envy when the bag get close. Fame ain't freedom, just a different dose. Still trying to stay grounded when the camera's posted. My reflection talk back like remember the block. Them cold nights, hunger pains, prayers on lock. Now I'm popping corks where the sirens knock. But I never lost soul, just switch my stock. I still carry them lessons like hidden scars. Still write my truth over jazz guitars.
Okay, we are taking it for 3 attempts and 1 is a plus. 1 is a plus, so let us keep it positive and we see.
We architects.
Okay, we get it going.
Turn broken glass into reflections of greatness. Ashes and ambition. That's the legacy. Feel the weight of your city on your shoulders. Every brick, every block got a story to tell. I ain't just rapping, I'm rapping. From broke dreams to gold schemes. It's that big vibe, baby. Let's ride. Yeah.
Born with the sirens harmonized with ambition. Mama praying hard, I was lost in the friction. Dreams on a clothesline, poverty, addiction, life before.
Okay, so that is our second attempt and we have another plus.
Learn money over mercy quicker than you think. Hope drown slow in that brown paper drink. But I wrote bars like scripture.
Hi Jacob. Hi Jacob, how are you doing? Thank you for coming through. Thank you for coming through.
Pain to paint, make
All right. Abiba says, I'm good. Ma, that is amazing. Thank you guys for sticking around. Thank you so much. We go in for our last shot. Lekala over there. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you're well. Hope you are doing amazing. Oh dear. Oh dear. Our last attempt, we have made a loss. We have made a loss. So sorry about that. So sorry about that. A raw head over there, that is 350 US dollars. We are taking it for 1 attempt. Today, I do not know, but my network is really, really down. It's really down. It is disturbing me a lot. Ooh. Okay, we have a plus. Congratulations. That is a row head over there. Congratulations. And for the people that are sticking around or that have come through, you're most welcome. Thank you so much for keeping around. Thank you so much.
For them dreamers who never made the headlines. Same blocks that broke us made us too. We the hustle, pray it fade away. We still here. I was born with a pain, had a postcode, dreams froze cold, gold teeth and broke cold. Mama working doubles, prayers and Morse code, trying to keep the faith while the bills overflow. Saw my first hustle at the age of 10. Uncle Bag and Hope in the Lion's Den. Street taught math, multiplied and spent. Lose a friend, learn how to start again. Old heads preach stack, move and learn stealth, but it's hard to build peace when you build from hell. Had a notebook, pen, and a vision to sell. Every rhyme a confession, every bar a cell.
Okay, that is a loss for our first attempt. That is for Sophie. Let us give it another try.
Now the corners whisper my name in smoke, old scars itch. When the storm awoke, lost brothers to the game, some drowned, some broke, but the rhyme stayed loyal. I hold it close. See, I move through the night with a measured breath. Talk less, move wise, manifest success. But the flash of a badge still quick to press. Ain't no peace treaty in a bulletproof vest. From hand-me-down kicks to designer fits, but the soul still heavy from the dirt I lift. Every dollar I stack, I replay that rift between what I was and what
Oh dear. Even on our second attempt, that is for Sophie.
now success got a shadow with a jealous grin. Smile thin when your wins make you feel boxed in. I seen fake friends toast and plot within. Love turn venom when the paper spin.
Sophie, so sorry about that. My sincere apologies. We have made a loss over there.
Just age the
That is Odell.
reflect, no regrets, just proof that the pain made a king out
Let's have it for Odell.
for the block, for the lost, for the truth, for the dreamers building heaven under cracked roof. Yeah. We wrote our names in the concrete.
500 US dollars for attempts.
Every scar, every rhyme. That's the price of survival. Corner Chronicles. Forever. Forever. Yeah. It's that late night reflection. Where pain turned poetry. And the streets still whisper your name.
Okay, let us get started.
Brooklyn spirit. Worldwide hunger. This one's for the dreamers digging diamond. and murals, I raise my toast to the ones that fell, to the lives they wrote. We the ink, we the page, we the antidote. I seen kids trade books for a pack and scale. Seen heaven high deep in a cell block tale. The preacher said, even angels bail. I remember them nights with a pen and a lighter, plotting my escape, dreaming bigger, tighter. Now the stage got lights, but the flame burn brighter. Still the same block writer, just a sharper fighter.
Still find light. City bleed dreams in the dead of night. Every scar's a line that defines my fight. Ashes and ambition, I'm still alright. Fire, fire, still find light. City bleed dreams in the dead of night. Every scar's a line that defines my fight.
Okay, so let us get ready to trade for Odell.
Came with ghosts. Love turn envy when the bag get close. Fame ain't freedom, just a different dose. Still trying to stay grounded when the
Right.
reflection talk back like remember the
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That is a plus for us.
where the sirens knock. But I never
We have 3 more attempts to go.
carry them lessons like hidden scars. Still write my truth over jazz guitar. You can polish your crown, but the paint still marred. From the curb to the charts, I became who we are. We ain't just survivors. We architects.
Hi, video truck. How are you doing? Hope you're well. Thank you for coming through.
Turn broken glass into reflections of great.
Thank you for coming through. Happy to see you around.
Yeah. You would feel the weight of your city on your shoulders. Every brick, every block got a story to tell. I ain't just rapping, I'm remembering. From broke dreams to gold schemes.
Okay, so 2 more to go.
Let's ride.
2 more attempts to go.
ambition. Mama praying hard, I was lost in the friction. Dreams on a clothesline, poverty, addiction, life in 4K, no filter, pure conviction. I was raised on the corners where the world don't blink. Learn money over mercy quicker than you think. School books traded for a pack and a link. Hope drown slow in that brown paper drink. But I wrote bars like scripture, survival my religion. Every lyric a confession, every verse a vision. Had to dodge fate, play chess with decisions. Turned the pain to paint, made my own exhibition.
Okay, so for the last attempt. We need a plus. We need to close it with a plus. Okay, I love that. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Congratulations. That is Odell. Odell over there, congratulations. We have some profits over here. That's it. Okay, next we have System Trader, that is 420 US dollars. Taking it for one attempt.
Faith and hustle. No silver spoons, just paper
Okay, so let me send in another list. Okay, so that will be our second list for the day. Hi Caesar, how are you doing? Hope you're well. Hope you are doing amazing. Okay, so let us get into it. Let us get into it. Let us gather ourselves and we cash out some profits. Let me see. I know the signals are not as good today as we've always been having. My sincere apologies. But for today, let us take it with that, and then I believe tomorrow we shall be amazing. Ooh. For our first attempt, we have made a loss. Let us give it one more try and see. Oh dear. Oh, the second attempt as well, we have made a loss. For the second attempt, that is for system trader, we have made a loss. So sorry about that, my apologies. John is asking, how does this work? Hi John, hope you're well. Hope you are doing amazing. So you check in my YouTube with my YouTube bio. The donations link is over there. Go through it and then you will see how everything works. Definitely, they first give you the terms and conditions. You have to first understand exactly what I expect from you and what you expect from me. Then next are the different steps that we take. Your name, the amount that you are sending in, and then how many times you want me to trade for you. Then you send in your wallet, that is your crypto wallet, where I transfer the profits to after a win. For the donations money, the minimum is 350 US dollars. All right, so please check in the link and then you will get to know how everything is. Okay, that is Tarian 400 US dollars, 2 atoms.
We carry pain like jewels. Shine from what we survive. Every key was once broken. Every crown carved from struggle. The weight heavy, but it's
Okay, let us get into it and we'll see. Yeah, see. Do you?
every corner tells a story. Every shadow got a lesson. Grind, ride. This is brick and soul. Mama praying every
Okay,
right. Daddy gon' listen. Let me with the fight. Concrete jungle raising
let us get into it.
patience in my eyes. Friends switch to foes. Loyalty western like ties. Silencing lullabies. Dreams in the skies. Turn ambition thick like syrup. Late night scheming. Corners full of murder. Block taught me truth. Pain taught me work. Shadows to the mic. Now watch me hit soul. We ride through the night. Walk through the fire. Chasing the light. Every scar, every tear inside made us kings in the city tonight. We ride through the night. Walk through the fire. Chasing the light. Every scar, every tear inside made us kings in the city tonight.
Roam through avenues echoing the past. Graffiti walls whisper old hustlers passion. Some made it out, some shadows didn't last. Every choice precise, calculated, steadfast.
Video track. Hello, channel is delaying, Lina. Today the network is not so good, so sorry about that. It has I've been having issues with it, so I believe on your end that's why it's like that. My apologies. DJ system, this is my second try and I failed again. My sincere apologies. I always do my very best to see that we all go away with profits, but like we know, with market fluctuations, at times it becomes impossible. So sorry about that, DJ system. My sincere apologies. Just me. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you're well. Hope you are doing amazing. Thank you for coming through. Happy to have you around. Okay, placing ourselves, position are we good to go? Ooh, okay. Okay, so we have our first plus there. Just one more to go. We die. Okay, we get into the second attempt. Okay, that is beautiful. So 2 attempts, that is a Tyrian. 2 attempts, and we have a plus. And see, do we alright? Songs me near the lights we into the night with me. Don't know the skies. Don't know die as unknown. That is Tarian. Okay, so that's the wallet. see. And that is Ethereum. Congratulations once again, Corinne, 450 US dollars, 3 attempts. Okay, we buy over here. 3 attempts is what we are having. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So we have 2 more attempts to go. Okay, let us proceed. Oh, oh dear. Oh dear. Ooh. Today the market is the market is driving me crazy.
Concrete jungle, street lights flicker. Every block got a story, every shadow a whisper. You survive, you grind, you rise. This one's for the kings and queens of the empire block.
Born in the struggle where the nights never sleep. Mama pray for me, daddy secrets to keep. Hustle in my veins, my dreams run deep. Every corner
Okay, so that is 350 US dollars, 1 attempt.
trying to paint me dead. Sirens sing lullabies, dreams float in my head. Turn pain into rhymes, now my words spread. Patience in my pocket, confidence in my stride. Learn the streets language, where most men die. Concrete toward truth. I never had to lie from shadow to spotlight. Now my legacy's high.
Empire blocks, we rise from the street. Walk through the fire, never face defeat. Every scar, every story we meet. Made us rulers of the city, undefeated be, undefeated be, undefeated be, undefeated be. Yeah, undefeated be, undefeated be, undefeated be.
Yeah. Avenues echo with the ghosts of the past. Graffiti walls whisper memories that last. Some made it out, some shadows never cast. Every move calculated, every round with the blast. Cold nights, warm dreams, rhythm in my chest. Losses taught lessons. Every winter test, trust earned slow. Loyalty expressed, concrete forged the king, manifested, blessed. Enemies plotting, but I glide like a ghost. Silence is my armor, my words cost the most. Block raised me tough, pain made my boast. Concrete streets whisper, every bar's my toast.
Empire blocks, we rise from the street. Walk through the fire, never
Okay, so 1 attempt we have a plus.
made us rulers of the city, undefeated be, undefeated be, undefeated be, undefeated be. Yeah, undefeated be, undefeated be, undefeated be.
Yeah. Rooftops view, skyline in my eyes. Fortune closed, but struggle never lies. Money don't erase, nights I survive. Every rhyme I spit, every bar live. Yeah. Pour liquor for the lost and gone. Every triumph on it, still I press on. Crown heavy, yet I move strong. Empire blocks whisper, our legacy lives long. Hustling hard, code I live by. Dreams in the city where weak men die. Every block a teacher, every night a sigh. Empire blocks doubt. Streets talk, shadows watch. Every struggle shapes the king in you.
Okay, so next we have franc, that is 500 US dollars for atoms.
Every street got a story. Every block got a king. You survive, you grind, you rise. This one's for the legends of the concrete jungle. Grew up where the cold wind cut through your soul. Mama prayed hard, daddy shadow took his toll. Hustle in my veins, ambition out of control. Every corner taught lessons, every scar my goal. Money scarce, loyalty thinner than thread. Friends turn foes. Envy echoing in their heads. Sirens saying lullabies while I stayed in my bed. Turn struggle into bars, every line widespread. Patience in my pocket, confidence on my stride. Learn the streets cold where most men die. Concrete taught truth, I never had to lie. From shadows to spotlight, now my legacy's high.
Concrete legends, we rise from the street. Walk through the fire, never face defeat. Every scar, every story we meet made us rulers of the city. Undefeated beat. Undefeated beat.
Avenues echo with ghosts of the past. Graffiti walls whisper memories that last. Some made it out, so shadows never cast. Every move calculated, every rhyme built to blast. Cold nights, warm dreams.
Okay, we are taking it for 4 atoms. Let's see.
Concrete legends, we rise from the street. Walk through the fire, never face defeat. Every scar, every story we meet made us rulers of the city. Undefeated beat.
Okay, wise man. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you are well. Hope you are doing great. So today I've actually traded Apple earlier on. So that's why I continued with silver OTC. Okay, that is our first plus, but remember we are taking it for 4 atoms. So
Every struggle shapes the king in you.
let's see. Today actually it has not really, I cannot say it has been an amazing day. Okay, so that is for our second attempt. Let us have the last 2. Thank you. I surely need it.
Stories written in the smoke, you feel me? This one's for the hustlers, dreamers, believers, the corners that raised me. Let's go. Yeah. Born with a siren sang lullabies through the blinds. Mama working overtime, pain breaking in the spine. I was scribbling rhymes between chalk lines and crime, trying to find
Beautiful. So that is for our third attempt.
life don't end like this. Every
Let us see.
faceless, but we chase dreams. Heavy pockets, empty wish. Had the bubble goose. Cops on the chase. We vanished without a trace. From stoop talks to gun sparks. Dark embrace.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Amazing. Okay, so for our 4 items for Frank, we have a plus. Congratulations. There are those days when the market just decides to go wild. Today, trust me, it has not been so good on my end. But like I keep saying, you do not give up. You do not give up. You keep it going. You keep it positive, and you keep doing your very best to see that things work out. We have to be consistent and definitely stick to the plan. Okay, to the wallet, that is for Frank. Okay, so next is Jojo, 400 US dollars, 2 items. Okay, what I'm going to share over there, that will be our last list for the day. Okay, a plus in a cell position over here. Okay. Hi Pacific, how are you doing? How are you doing? Hope you are well. Okay, beautiful. That is beautiful for our first attempt. We have one more to go. All right. That is amazing. We have positive results over here. That is for Giorgio. Congratulations.
One love, Brooklyn forever.
Okay, Pacific, I have 150 US dollars. Can I send on donations? My dear, for the donations, the minimum that I'm receiving is 350 US dollars.
You'll stand in the corner and watch your reflection in puddles. Dreams look clear once sunlight's filtered in. Brooklyn heart, worldwide stars. This one's for the ones who ain't make it out. Let's go.
Concrete diaries, ink in the scars of survivors.
Okay, that is Tether Wallet. Okay, so we proceed. That is Rowan, 450 US dollars, 3 attempts.
And hope run short like the breath in our lungs. I was scribbling bars, dreaming of a Lex coupe, Swayze, chopping check from a soul unchecked, trying to balance my past with the future I dream.
Okay, so let us get into Rowan's trading. Okay, let me buy here. Okay, so that is beautiful. That is our first attempt, and we have a plus. Okay, 2 more to go. Okay, so Pacific, thank you so much for collecting that and having that on your Binance. And one thing that I can tell you is that I would request that you first keep it, you collect up to when it makes the amount for the donations. Why I'm saying that is because I am actually humbly saying that. Why I'm saying that is the fact that if someone else, if I communicate with you and then someone else, okay, I agree to donate for to trade for you that amount. Definitely, also another person would want the same. Yet, I do not want to commit to someone that I'm not going to be consistent with. All right. So, like I kept saying, even at 350 US dollars, you find that the donations are many. People are sending in a lot of donations. So I do not want to commit to something that is later going to be an issue for us. All right. Because if I take on yours and I trade it for you here, meaning someone else is also going to come tomorrow asking for the same, saying, how come you traded for this other person? meaning you should also trade for me, and that person will be right. So to avoid the inconveniences, to avoid seeming not fair, it's best let us first keep it. We make the amount, and then Lena is always here. Today, tomorrow, after a month, after a year, we are here together. All right. So take your time. Take your time. I'm here. Whenever you're ready, I will trade for you. Beautiful. Okay. One more attempt to go. One last attempt and with a plus. Okay. I need a plus from you. Don't do that to me. Don't do that. So sorry about that. So sorry about that. One last attempt and we have made a loss. My sincere apologies. That is for Rowan. A Colbin, that is 350 US dollars. Oh, okay. Okay, so that is for Clementine. 3 attempts. We have a plus for the first one. Beautiful.
Smell that? That's ambition cooking in a broken kitchen. Concrete prayers, champagne wishes. Beauty out of struggle. Roses from the pavement.
Pacific, please, I'm going to request you first keep it. First keep it. Like I've said, I'm always here. I'm always here. Whenever you make the full amount, I will trade for you. Okay. Okay, Corbin, 350 US dollars, 3 items. And that will be our last donation for the day.
Concrete streets, broken dreams. Every block got a story, every corner got a lesson. I survived the nights that swallow hope. Let me take you there. Yeah. Born in the shadow of the high-rise blocks. Mama working double shifts, talking about stocks. Daddy never home, life's paradox. Grew up counting pennies, dodging cops. Lessons in the cracks of the pavement talk. How to hustle hard, how to move, what life costs. Every loss in the streets, every friend I lost.
Okay,
In the bars, yeah, that's my
so that gives us 2 items to go.
Life was a gamble every step of the way. Still I wrote my truth, let my soul hang. Concrete dreams in the city. Concrete dreams, we rise through the night. Street lights glowing, we fight for the light. Every scar, every tear inside made us kings in the city tonight.
Now the block whispers secrets in the dark. Every hustle measured, every move a spark. Lost some brothers, some fell apart. Some found the fame, some just left their mark. Money and respect never came the same. Learn that the streets don't play no game. Trust is fragile, loyalty the flame. Grew from the struggle, made it part of my name. Late nights, cold air, hard heavy. Steady, wise from pain, now my grind ready. Every rhyme I spit, my past confetti. Concrete dreams turn gold.
Okay, one last one.
Now I'm looking back from the corner penthouse. Same streets whispering, still hear the sound. Fame and money, the lights that surround. Can't erase the echoes of the battleground. While we the ones gone. Lesson learned from the nights long. The crown is heavy, but I stay strong. Concrete dreams live forever in my song. We built from dust, sweat, and prayers. Every block, every struggle made us aware. Concrete dreams ain't just survive.
Oh no. Okay. Oh no, 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 no. Closing the donations with a loss. That is one thing that I do not like at all. At all, at all. Okay, today the market has been crazy. The market has been wild. So sorry about the losses for the people that have made losses. My sincere apologies. But let us keep it positive. We keep knowing that the next time will be much, much better. So that is it for today. Allow me end here. Let us believe for the very best tomorrow. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.
Heavy in the air, snakes in the grass, friends turn foes. Still I kept my focus where the ambition grows. Night lights flicker, psalms compose. My story in bars, that's how life flows.